name is Florian. I'm one of the directors of CRISP. CRISP is a Berlin-based organization who is conducting seminars in Germany but also abroad. And as an organization, we were hosting also this workshop here in Skopje. It's called Fighting Right-Wing Populism in Europe. It's a project which involves 10 partner countries from all over Europe and overall 60 participants. We conducted in 3 countries. And the first implementation is here in Macedonia. So what we did, participants from 4 countries like Germany, Italy, Macedonia and Greece came here to Skopje to think about strategies to actually fight right-wing populism in Europe. So first of all, we were trying to find a definition what this actually is, right-wing populism, why it is dangerous also to different countries in Europe. Then we conducted a simulation game to better understand how right-wing populist parties and movements work, what are their strategies, and in the end we also thought about how to actually tackle them. So on a very individual level, but also on a national level, and how communities can be organized to actually fight this phenomenon here in Macedonia, but also all over Europe.
And your impression from Macedonia?
I mean, I have been to Macedonia quite a lot of times, and first of all, I have to say I always enjoyed it very much because of the people living here, who are very friendly and very open. And concerning this, I love to be here. When I was here in 2010, my first impression was when I was walking to Skopje and the construction was actually starting, that I had the feeling that I'm in a country at war. Now, 5 years later, with all or many monuments already finished, it for me seems like a museum of a war which somebody claims to have already won. And this is on the one side totally absurd, and on the other hand side very sad. So whenever I go to the center, for me it's difficult to decide if I should laugh or cry. Mostly it's both. And I think for me, especially Skopje 2014 represents perfectly the situation here. So if you don't know anything about Macedonia, just go there and you will feel actually what the situation is like.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.